Look at this, look at this. So today our topic is based on our adventure mount or Dominar. Look at this, how does this look? Adventure mount like an Adventure 390 or Tiger or BMW. I've managed to get it like this done. How does this look?
It's caught in the crossfire.
I have done something very good, very interesting, very amazing for my Dominar 400, that is adventure mount. So this is my bike, completely naked in the front, and let's start this video with my intro. Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Vishnu Reddy Vlogs. This is my Dominar without the masks. See how weird it looks. Completely naked from front. Look, something is missing, like bald head without any hair. Okay, so I've unmounted everything just to show you how to do it. What exactly do we need to mount the mobile holder in front of the visor, okay, like an Adventure 390. First things first, our visor. This visor is from JB Racing. I've made a number plate also here. I mean, yeah, number, my bike's number, and also my favorite logo. And you need this screwdriver. This screwdriver is enough to do everything, each and everything. Okay. And we need our X mobile holder, X mount. We call this as X mount. So this is only fitting. I have one more mount, that is Bobos from my R15, but that doesn't fit over there. We need some extra clamps for that. So इससे काम चला लेते हैं. Let's begin it with the initial steps. So we need 4 screws. This one, you can see, right? This is Pulsar 160, 150's screws. Visor screws. You can get them in any automobiles. You can just go ask them as a Pulsar 150 screws. And this is a Dominar's stock screw which I unmounted. I'll show you from here. Okay, this mount is going to go here like this. We just have to screw it over there like this and slide it, and look at this position. You understood? Okay, even if you understood, please watch the video completely. Don't run away. Let's start screwing it up. I'm showing all the 3 things what we need in one hand. That is this screw and my X mount and this beautiful screwdriver. Okay, let's start mounting this adventure mount, X mount, to my Dominar. Okay, so look at the angle. This is there now. This should be downwards, and this should be exactly 90 degrees towards the upper. Okay, itla 1 and 2, and after that this a little curve like this. Okay, because of this this thing is curved, right? So this is a perfect angle to come into the middle, and you will easily figure it out while you are trying to mount. Okay, first let's just screw this. Perfect. Okay, look at this. It is exactly towards the center. ऐसा. How does this look, guys? How does this look? We'll continue fitting our JB Racing's visor. Our JB Racing का visor, it is really beautiful and very strong. Now देखो, अब देखो, बाल ब्यूटी से हैंडसम ब्यूटी बन गया, हैंडसम बीस्ट बन गया. Okay, let's just screw the other 4 screws. Ignore my messy hair. I'm like this always. Much of till this one. Nowadays I'm using ponytail, but today was an urgency to do this vlog because I have some other things to do. Other vlog is coming. That is regarding the off-roading with Dominar 400. How is it? Review. Okay, wait for that. I'm going to take this bike crazy off-roading. Perfecto. So that's it, guys. Look how is my beast looking. Handsome beast. Dhruva with this visor. Stunning baby. Look at this mount. I'm in love with this mount. Okay, let's just mount my mobile here. Little bit side. Okay, done. Lukko, chiche, dekho. Cinematic shots coming in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so one more important thing I want to say is don't use your personal mobile phones as your mount. Okay, so what happens is look at this. So what happens is look at this camera. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus ka camera. Okay, which has a beautiful stabilization. When you hold your phone and run or jiggle it will give butter smooth video output. Okay, so if you use this mobile as your mount, it will shake until this camera damages. Okay, so I am using this 4000 ka phone, which is my old phone, which doesn't even have video stabilization in it. Okay, you can see this, these 3 cameras are fixed to it. So even if you use this phone, even if you break, look at this, it already broke. Okay, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता हमको. But if you lose your this 70,000-80,000 का phone, 1 lakh का phone, you will cry. Okay, so that is one important point I want to tell. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you have liked it. Hope this video is very much informative for you. For sure, Dominar lovers, you can do this as well for your bike simply with one screwdriver. Okay, so that's it for today. If in case you like this video, please like the video. In case if you dislike the video, please dislike the video. Make comments, throw the comments as you like. I just want to reach more. Please support me. Thank you. This is Ready Box signing off.